Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahi bin Hamdan. My metric number is 1221123. We are from group 10. Today our presentation will be about average daily spendings among the MQA2 student.
My name is Alif Azamuddin bin Anwar. My matrix number is 1221103. In terms about average daily spending is about the total of money that we use per day basis. It specifies how much you are roughly comfortable spending each day over the course of the month. In other meaning that we can understand is the average amount of money spent each day on a particular task, which is calculated by dividing the total amount of the money spent by the number of days. This type of budgets refer to the average maximum amount of money that daily spending will be spent on a given day for a particular need. Custom budgets will need to be set for any additional needed. The budget sets a limit on what you can spend on bits per day as to reconcile your daily spending to prevent from overspending that can affect to the upcoming days. The crisis about average daily spending happens to everyone, especially students nowadays. Overspending will always have a negative effect on your budget. Spending beyond what you can afford and running up costly debt must be limited to lead a healthy financial life. According to financial experts, spending beyond your means can also distract you from your financial goals. Statistics. The statistic figure 1 shows statistical graph about the knowledge to average daily spending among the MQA2 students. The total of the students is 20. Based on the statistical graph, number students who have some knowledge to arrange daily spending 18 higher than number student that doesn't know about how to arrange daily spending. It seems the majority among the MQS2 students have some knowledge to arrange their daily spending than who doesn't know about it. How much your daily spending average? Figure 2 shows statistical graph about the daily spending average among the MQA2 student between RM10 ringgit and 15 ringgit and 16 ringgit and 20 ringgit. Based on the statistical graph, we can know that students prefer to spend their money among 10 ringgit or 15 ringgit than 16 and 20 ringgit. Students who their daily spending average among 10 and 50 ringgit are 19 people higher than 15 and 20 ringgit, which is 1 people only. This is a rich kid. How much your higher spending in a day? Pie chart on figure 3 above shows numbers of students with their highest spending in a day, which is 49 ringgit, 15 or 99 ringgit, 100 to 149 ringgit, and 150 ringgit above. Based on the pie chart, we can know that 49 ringgit is the majority highest spending in a day, which is 10 students. RM 50 and 99 ringgit with 7 students, and 149 ringgit with 2 students. Lastly, the highest amount, which is RM 150 above only 1 student only, which is the rich kid. What are the way you prefer to spend money in your daily life? Figure 4 above shows about the way students prefer to spend money in your daily life. This pie chart separates 3 ways that students prefer to spend their money. Firstly, shop up when necessary and come up with realistic budget. Have the same majority, which is 13 students. The other way track your spending is lower than 2 days, which is 9 students.
Next, I will continue our presentation with the next chapter. Figure 5 shows that the benefit of spending wisely in the future. Based on the pie chart, the majority way 19 students choose the answer yes, while the other answer is no. Is 1 student only. This showing that students thinking about their financial in the future. Figure 6 shows that the reason that can make someone overspending in their daily life. Based on the pie chart, we can know that not planning and budgeting is majority reason that chosen by the students, which is 17 students. Emotional spending and recklessly spending on money, which is chosen by 14 and 13 students. The other reason, which is normalizing debt, as many 6 students, and having a lack of passion has the minority among the other reason, which is 5 students only. Next, advantage of managing daily spending wisely. First, it gives you control over your money. Second, keeps you on top of what you are spending. Third, makes it easier to stay aware of your saving and debt. Next, disadvantage of daily overspending. First, physical health problems. Second, poor reputation amongst friends and family. Third, reduced social life and isolation. Next, conclusion. First, average daily spending is based on how we arrange it. Second, if we not have any arrangement, then we will suffer the effect of the overspending. While if we can arrange our daily spending or spend smartly, we can gain many benefits that can help us to live in this nowadays economy. Third, overspending does not have to be a problem. Even you have got a history of making poor financial decisions, it is never too late to change. And with the right approach to budgeting and money management, you can avoid all of the problems we have outlined above. And lastly, if you are struggling with overspending, take some real practical steps to change the way you deal with your cash. Lastly, we must make some preparation for our future, especially in financial. That's all from us. Thank you.